Welcome back, year ones. Get your exercise book out and get ready for your spelling quiz. Okay, so remember I read 10 words and 1 sentence, okay? Here goes your first word. Bite. Your second word is like. Your third word is time. The next word, hide. The next word is bake. Your next word is cake. The next word is male. The next word is upon. Last word, once. Okay, now I will read your sentence to you. Here goes your sentence. Your ones, please remember that a sentence always starts with a capital letter and it will always end with a full stop. Okay, here goes your sentence. Once upon a time, I saw a male. Okay, I'll read it one more time. Once upon a time, I saw a male. Okay, last time. Once upon a time, I saw a male. End of sentence.